Okay, so here is an Ultimate Pig Explorer update. I didn't do one last night because I literally was up so late that I face planted into my keyboard. Um, so, didn't do one last night. Here is where we are at. Let's see, where is it? It's right here. We're going to hit play. All right, so it's loading up. You have a little progress bar now that shows you when stuff's happening. It loads pretty quick. It basically just indexes all the pig files. You can open up just like before. Um, I just added this. I'm still working on it, but now if you click on here, you have all the stuff over here. The reason I'm doing this is because this tree view control will not let you select multiple items. It just will not do it. And it's too much of a pain in the ass for me to code a whole new tree view control just to do that, so I'm not doing it. So what this does instead is you can go into here, you can select all of your items here, and now with them all selected, let's see, I'm going to show you here. And I'm going to go here, I'll drag this over to this window so that you guys can see here. This is my exports folder. I'm going to delete everything that's in there. I'm also going to view it by list just because. Now, you can go export, and it will export everything that you have selected into your exports folder, wherever that should be. So, I basically just exported every single bin file. Yay! And just show that it's there. I probably just picked the wrong one because Notepad does not like these files. Here, let's go view by details. There it is. So here's a bin file. Body parts.bin. Let's see. We will go hex editor to view that one. And as you can see, there it is. Body parts. It's all there. So we have that. And I'm probably going to have to, at some point today, move what pops up in this find thing into this window here so you can have the same functionality. I don't know why I have a separate window for each one right now, but let's say I want to ski. Let's see, I'm not sure what that was all about. Must have been testing something, but okay, so we found all this. I want to go into sounds, OGG, yeah, the Swiss loop. And hopefully y'all can hear that. It is now playing the Swiss loop. If I want to stop it, I can go up here. I can pause playback, and then I can resume playback, or I can stop it altogether. And I can pick another one. So we have sounds. Yay. Let's see. We have object library, city zones. I am still trying to figure out parts of this OpenGL stuff. It is driving me absolutely insane. Let's see, that's not what I want. This is the geo bin. I want the object library. City zones. Atlas Pocket Makeover. There we go. The geo files. Back in working-ish. Um, so, same thing here. You can select them all and export them. This will actually ask you where you want to export them to, so I'll just say the E drive, and now we should see on my E drive there's just the one. Okay, so I guess I have to work on that one. Export all will do the same thing though. Uh, getting lost here. Let's see. Export all. So E. Let's see, did that work? Yeah, that worked. So you have that. And you still have the thing where you can see both of them. Okay, that's weird. It apparently is doing something, because City Hall got squished when I added that. Maybe it just looks squished because it's halfway inside the thing. But where this doesn't work out so well is if you are looking for let's see, object library, player library, let's say a glove. So it doesn't work out well there. That glove is way back there. I have to figure out how to get it to basically show it correctly and be zoomed in on it correctly and everything. So you have to kind of zoom in on it and whatnot to be able to see it. But so that's on the table of things to get done, hopefully by the end of the week. What else? What else? What else? What else? Right. The texture library is working just fine. Any old texture, and boom. So you've got those. And you can right-click on the thing and you can export it. That will export it into your exports folder as an actual JPEG. Versus if you were to go into here and export it, it exports it as the texture file. I'm probably going to add a context menu to make this export, so you can pick if you want to export it as the raw data or if you want to convert it to a known usable file type. Because this texture thing doesn't really work in anything except for City of Heroes. It has to be converted into the DDS file, and the DDS file is loaded into the picture box, and the picture box converts it into the PNG file, and that's what happens. So, what else is there? There's find. That doesn't work yet either. So. Let's see, let's get a couple of these opened up. Does any of this work? No, I got to program this. So none of this stuff works. Although you can go to here. And I should probably change the name up here to whatever is loaded. Anyway, so it's getting there. You can do stuff. One of the things I want to do is add a shortcuts thing, where you can create a shortcut to a certain file, because for instance I'm constantly finding myself going to the City Hall makeover thing constantly, and it would be much more handy if I could have some sort of like a shortcut that I could double click on and it loads it up for me and hopefully persists between sessions, so that when you close program out and then you open it back up, your shortcuts are still there. So I'm going to be looking into that. And let's see, there's still a lot to do. I have to figure out how to get all these textures. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, I was trying to double click so that we could double click on this. It would actually open up the it would open up the file, and I was testing and it wasn't working, so that's why it's doing that. Anyways, that's it for now. I will probably do another one at the end of the day, assuming I don't faceplant myself in the keyboard again from working on it. And talk to you later.